So here's what I've got and why I like my system. So if you've seen it before, this is normally where all my toolboxes and stuff are set up for work. Ladders, etc. Super easy to just pull out and get rid of. So I never have to crawl in the bed of my truck. That was a little hard to do with one hand, but I can slide the bed out and make it. So that works pretty cool. And yep, I am camping with flannel sheets. That's right. That's how I roll. Okay, so yeah, that's a little awkward with one hand, but you get the idea. So then on this side, this all pulls out. So I've got my heater back there in the blue. There's all my clothes and bathroom stuff. Here's my fridge, full of stuff for breakfast tomorrow. Cooking along at 39 degrees. Here are my dry goods for camping. And what's nice about this, the same tool system I use, or same box system I use for my tools. And then over here is all the cooking stuff. Pots and pans, spoons, all that kind of thing. So super easy to stand here and work. Added the slide out for the stove. So it sets up here on the end. Works pretty dang cool, I think.